Imagine it's December 2026 and you're sitting alone in your room, silent, asking yourself, have I really changed? Or did I just waste 2 more years? Most people don't ruin their lives with one huge mistake. They ruin it quietly, day by day, with small habits and tiny compromises. This video isn't about waking up at 4 a.m. or grinding 24/7. It's about the 7 habits that quietly upgrade your life. Stay till the end, because the last habit is the one almost nobody practices, yet it separates those who truly change from those who just watch videos. 1. Design your day. It's people live on autopilot. They wake up, grab their phones, scroll, check notifications, and by the time work starts, they're exhausted. Problem isn't time, it's direction. If you don't plan your day, the world will plan it for you. Every night, write down just 3 things for tomorrow. 1 thing that moves your life forward. 1 thing that protects your health. 1 thing that gives your day meaning. That's it. No long lists, no complicated planners. When you know your direction, even small steps make huge progress. Strengthen your focus. Focus is the new superpower. Notifications, short videos, and endless scrolling steal your attention every day. Practice 1 distraction-free hour daily. No phone, no multitasking. Just 1 task, 1 hour at first. It will feel uncomfortable. Focus is a muscle. The more you train it, stronger it becomes. By 2026, this single habit will put you ahead of 90% of people without extreme effort. Take care of your body. Your mind doesn't live separately from your body. If your body is tired or stiff, motivation drops, focus weakens, and even your dreams feel heavy. Forget extreme diets or intense workouts. Just move your body every day. Go for a walk, stretch for 10 minutes, do light exercise or any movement. Consistency beats intensity. The body should support your ambition, not fight it. 4. Don't consume. Most people spend all day consuming content, videos, drama, endless scrolling, but nothing new comes out of them. For every hour you consume, spend time creating. Write your thoughts, build a small project, record a video. Creation forces clarity. It shows you what you know and what you don't, and that's where growth starts. By 2026, creators won't just be influencers. They'll be leaders, thinkers, and builders. 5. Detach from your past. For a week, ask yourself, what am I doing that no longer matches who I want to become? Let go of habits, conversations, or environments that keep you stuck. Growth isn't just adding, it's also letting go. Evolving means leaving the comfort zone behind. 6. Commit your choices. Indecision is silent self-sabotage. People overthink, wait for the perfect plan, and do nothing. Action creates feedback. Feedback creates learning, and learning creates clarity. Choose a direction, take the first step, and adjust along the way. Small, imperfect decisions today are more powerful than perfect decisions never made. 7. Daily self-reflection. This habit is almost nobody practices. It's the reason people repeat the same year again and again. Every day, take 5 minutes. What did I do well today? Where did I choose comfort over growth? What will I do differently tomorrow? No judgment, no guilt, just honesty. Awareness creates change. Change creates transformation. Final perspective for 2026. Time isn't slowing down. The real question isn't when you'll change, it's who you'll become by December 2026. Do you end the year with the same habits, same excuses, and same unfinished goals? Or will you become someone almost unrecognizable, more focused, disciplined, and intentional? You don't need more motivation. You need systems, daily habits that work, even when you don't feel like it. Start with 1 habit today. Ego. Small, consistent actions quietly change who you are. If you're ready to make 2026 your turning point, comment below. 2026 upgrade started. Subscribe to the channel for more strategies like this. We don't just motivate, we build systems that upgrade your life. Remember, life doesn't change overnight. It changes day by day, 1 habit at a time.